Hi guys, it's Cindy Leach, your Polymer Clay tutor, and this is the introduction video to my paid tutorial series, Polymer Clay Journals and Altered Books. Now this is going to be a really fun tutorial. It is basically a mixed media extravaganza. I've got tons of different options for making journals with polymer clay as well as altered books. Now, let me show you this altered book first. You don't just have to have a regular art journal to put polymer clay on. You can actually use an old vintage book. Now this one here was just a regular book, quite an old one, has illustrations and things in it. But what I did was I painted out some of the pages, and I'll continue to paint the rest of them out with some gesso. Then I've added inks and layers of paint and journaled on them, and it makes for a really creative approach to making journals. This particular one has a theme called Make Time. I wanted to start journaling more, and I made this one to promise myself to make time to play. So this cover here has all kinds of different mixed media options to it. It has I used rubber stamps, metal embellishments, there's inks, gilder's paste, embossing powders, a real watch here. I've got all kinds of different techniques, and it's going to be really fun for you to be able to come up with your own style and your own techniques depending on what you have around and how you want to go about it. I'm also going to show you how to make this rainbow zebra journal cover. It's very funky and dimensional. It's got a lot of texture to it. This one was done as a standalone page, so you actually don't even have to add it to a book or a journal if you don't want to. I'm also going to show you a technique called the Pavelka peel, which was invented by Lisa Pavelka, and we're going to be using some gold leaf, silver leaf. You can even use the Lisa Pavelka foils, all kinds of things like that. And I'll show you some embellishments that you can add to your journals as well. And here's a bunch more examples of the different looks you can get with the Pavelka peel technique, which I think you're really going to enjoy. And then I'll show you a bunch of different examples of other types of projects you can do, and then you can really run with this. This one is a kind of a jungle themed one. It's got some textured ferns in the background of this one, and it's got a molded little mask on here with some cork and stuff on it. And I've got another journal here where I've made, I used a technique we did in a tutorial a little ways back called liquid polymer clay transfers. And this was a transfer of a map, and I added it to a layer of translucent clay. There's some gold leaf in there, and there's just basically an unlimited variety of techniques and ideas that you can do with this project. So I hope to see you in the next video of this series.